All right, guys. We're somewhere very special that I love very, 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 very much. That we made our trip to South Dakota for this reason alone. All the rock hounding we did was actually just because we needed to come here anyway. Look where we are. It's the rock shed. Oh, we're at the perfect angle where you can't see the sun. It's the rock shed. So, as you all know, we are preparing for the Gem Mineral Show. So, let us go in there and go on a rock shed shopping spree. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so there are specific things I'm looking for. This being one of them, actually. I was really hoping we could see if there's a piece with a chunk big enough for faceting. If not, it's totally fine. I bought 2 of these a while back, actually like 5 or 6 years ago at this point, and we got we got like 3 facetors out of it, and that was just nuts. Yeah, there are some good sized ones in that. Look at that crystal right there. Let's see here. What are you? Oh, there's some good big ones in there. Yeah, we're gonna take that one. There for sure might be a faceter in there. Okay, so this is my favorite. Oh my gosh. Look at the freaking purple on that Labradorite. I literally don't need to see any more of that rock to know that it's coming back with me. Right in here.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that crazy?
That's like a red purple.
Okay, so everyone.
I found flocks too.
I drive 5 or 6 hours out of our way whenever I need Labradorite, and this is the reason why. Rock Shed has the best Labradorite. Look at that. All right, well, this one, this little one.
That I just handed you. Do you see it yet?
Oh yeah, that's got some nice color in it.
Keep going through them and then pick after that.
Yeah, I just definitely want this purple. That's really nice. Let's see.
This one has a perfect rainbow pocket right there.
Ooh, yes it does.
Do you see the red in it?
Yeah, it's flaring for me right here. Ooh, look at that.
And the blue actually, when you moved it, goes all the way over to there.
Okay.
This one has deep, deep blue, like royal blue.
Ooh, there's a good color pocket. We might
OT.
We might claim this one. Because that's a good slabber. I don't know. We have to go. We're going to peruse through this whole bin, so there's time to just find out what. It's not flaring for me. Where is it?
Here.
Why are you hiding it?
I'm not. I'm trying to get it to flash for you. Right along this face, so it's going to turn royal blue.
Oh, wow. That's some rich blue. Here, let me move the camera so that I can catch it properly. Tilt it down if you would. Yeah, look at that blue. That is really vibrant. Wow.
I don't know. I wanted to check the rest of this rock.
Also, guys, once we get back to the shop, I'm going to be doing a bunch of slabbing on what we're getting today. So remember what these look like before and after, because they're going to transform like crazy. Oh, this is a nice one. All right, well, we're going to peruse through this, and if I see any that jump out on me, I will be back. This piece is insane. Trying to get tilt proper. Where is it? Well, you can see part of it up there. There's the purple. Where?
Here, do you want me to move it around?
Yeah, here, you hold it and tilt it so that I can... Ooh, right there. Look at all that purple. That is amazing. So definitely getting that one, because I'm a sucker for purple.
Right there.
Oh, and from this angle, there's golds and green. Oh my gosh,
there's orange in here.
Yeah, get that. Let's put that one in the crate for sure, because yeah, that's amazing.
Here.
Ooh. Wow, look at that face. All right, so this is the next one that I really wanted to look through. This is the blue and gold tiger eye, and they have some phenomenal tiger eye here. Look at that. Nice blue. That's a really good blue. Oof. Yep, that one for sure. I actually picked this one out. Can you spray this? I think that's going to be another green like the one I cut recently. Yeah, it could. It definitely could. It's got enough gold in it. This is one flippin' bizarre piece of tiger eye, and I am totally getting it just because I am so curious as to what we're going to find inside of this thing. Look how green. That is so cool. All right, well, that one for sure. People ask me a lot why I always shop at the Rock Shed. That's why I shop at the Rock Shed, because you can't beat that.
No, you can't.
Look at the size of that gold tiger eye. That is amazing. I mean, there's some huge chunks in here. That is so cool. All right, what are we looking for? I want some nice gold to cut and some nice blue to cut. So here, I'll peruse and I'll be right back. I love the rock shed. Look at that. Blue, and then there's some purple right there. It's so nice. This stuff is dang near like spectralite. Check this out, you guys. This one is like 50% blue tiger eye, 50% gold tiger eye. That is gonna make some really cool slabs. All right, so this is angelite. Angelite. This is some of my favorite stuff to carve. It comes out looking so good. So this is some of my favorite stuff to make cabochons out of. It's dendritic honey opal. And it is so pretty when you get a nice piece that's nice and filled with dendrites. Oh, the breeze. It feels so good. It's so hot up here this whole time we've been here. Okay, that might be good. Looking for a good one to load into the saw. That one's a little cloudy here. Honestly, that first one I had, that's a good one. Yeah, I think we'll get that. No joke, you guys. I have seen this exact same prairie agate in this bin. I swear the last time I was here was this exact same prairie agate. And that makes me sad for this prairie agate. So we're gonna buy it and take it home and cut it and probably polish it at some point because that is really, really, really pretty. What else we got? Ooh, petrified sponge, which is actually chalcedony. Hey, we found some of this earlier today. I think it was the same stuff anyway. Oof, okay. I'm gonna have to stop and peek at this for a minute. This place is magical, you guys. Look at all of the mineral growth on this. That is so cool. Ooh, that one's a little smoky. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. That is insane. Check this out, you guys. So I know you guys have seen me make gemstone eggs before. That is gonna be freaking perfect for that because it's nice and curved. So we can just egg the back and have it all open and then, oh, that is so nice. Ooh, yeah, that'd be a good one too. Looks like there's a little bit of druzy on those ones. That's awesome. Wow.
This one looks so cool because all that.
Oh, is that calcite or selenite? Look at all the weird little like growths in there. And covered in druzy. All right, guys, we just bought a ton of stuff. So it is time for us to go get some dinner. And yeah, we're gonna get back to the shop and get everything cut, and it's gonna be so nice. All right, we are back to the shop, and this light behind me is making everything dimmer. Yep, see, it just came up a little bit. So I'm gonna just have to stand like this during this part. So I'm gonna pick out some of the rocks that we bought, and let's get cut. So this right here, whoa, what's going on here? There we go. Intrigues me like crazy. It's blue tiger eye, but it's weird. It's really weird. So I think, yeah, we're gonna start with this one because I need to know what it's gonna look like. All right, that is precisely what I was hoping for when I bought that one. It is an intermingling of blue and gold tiger eye, which means it's got a little bit of patches of green in there. And I love seeing those very, very much. They make me quite happy. We got some clear quartz at the bottom. Well, clearish quartz. That is super, super pretty. Look at that. Love me some tiger eye. All right, let's do this Labradorite next. It has some wonderful flash on both sides. So, all right, there's a specific way that we have to cut Labradorite because, yeah, it has a flash plane, which is right about, let's see, let's find it real quick. Right about here. Yeah, probably more like right there. Wait, tilt it down. There we go. Right about here. If we cut it this way, we'll never get any color. If you cut it this way, you have to tilt your stone in a really weird way to actually get it to flash. So, we have to identify where the flash is. Seems like right here is the flashiest. We have to make sure our cuts are completely parallel to that plane. So what I do is I'll load it in the way I think it needs to be, cut a thin slab, take that out, check it, make sure it's the right angle. If it's not, I'll correct it a little bit, but yeah, it's just a little bit of touch and go. Cut, check, cut, check. All right, that one is done. And I'd say, yeah, we got some good results out of that one. Really, really bright and colorful. Again, just gotta love it. Look at that little purple pocket down here. That is phenomenal. So I think we are going to keep the Labradorite train a-rolling. I'm gonna do this one next. Problem is, this one is a little too big for my saw. I wanna get lengthwise cuts, but it's just too long. So I'm gonna come in and probably cut it in half, like right here. That is plenty big enough, or small enough for my saw. And then we can come back and cut this one as well, so we can get all of those slabs. But look how thick that is. If we can, if the flash pocket's right here, cutting it this way, we're gonna get a bunch of slabs off of that one. That's such a nice piece. All right, this thing is flipping insane. Look at that beautiful pocket up here. Look at that. That is so pretty. I like that this big pocket flares on this axis and then the small pocket flares on the opposite. That is just phenomenal. Gotta love it. There's one slab. There's another one that just came out. It's just so colorful. I mean, I don't even have words to describe how fantastic that is. That was a big rock, and that was literally like full flash Labradorite. Oh my goodness, that is ridiculous. We got one amazing pile of slabs from that. Here's the awesome part though. We didn't even touch that other part yet. The part that we cut off so that it would fit in the saw better. Still haven't even touched that. Look at how colorful that is. Oh my goodness. It never gets old. This is one of my favorite rocks for a very good reason. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love me some Labradorite. Now, because I have a sentimental attachment to this agate right here, we're gonna cut this prairie agate. I swear, I saw this same agate in that bin the last time I went there, and that made me sad because it's really, really pretty. So, let's cut it and see how it looks. I'm gonna say right now, because it's a prairie agate, it probably will not look how we expect it to on the inside. It's one of the reasons I love these things so much. All right, it is done, and this is such a prime example of why I love these things so much. So here's the outside of the rock. There's lots of white, lots of orange, some yellows, white, nice white banding. Then you flip it over. All of the orange is just gone, and suddenly there's pinks and reds. It's so pretty. I love prairie agate. South Dakota prairie agate is something else. You know, it's always a surprise to find out what's inside when you cut any rock, but man, it is like, there's no predicting what the heck you're gonna wind up with on the inside. Love me some prairie agates. Next, how about we cut one of those beautiful gold tiger eyes. Tiger eye is done, and I'm very, very happy with it. That is real nice. Not only is that good gold, there's wisps of blue in there. And that is literally every single slab has some blue in it. That is so cool. I'm telling you, man, Rock Shed, they've got the best stuff. I'm telling you. You can't disagree either. You have to agree by law. Seriously, like I'm looking at these little pockets down here where there's a little bit of gold and a little bit of blue, and I'm thinking of those cabs would be so nice. Look at how pretty it is. All right, next up we have yet another blue tiger eye, and this is going to be super, super nice. You can see a little bit of it right there. See some dark blue as in this one, so I'm hopeful. Could be really, really nice. And here is the blue tiger eye, and it is so freaking dark. Look how rich that blue is. That is stunning. Got a bunch of slabs out of that one too. Oh, those are gonna be nice. Let's cut this right here. It's a big old block of sodalite, and it's some really, really nice sodalite. Look how blue that is. Well, let's find out what it looks like. That right there is some intense blue. Look at that sodalite. That is so pretty. Does it shine? Ooh, a little bit. Actually, a lot of it. Dude, that's so pretty. I love this stuff. It's so gorgeous. Like, seriously, just look at that. We got some not so small slabs too. Those are good size. And just look at how blue the glow is. I love sodalite. It's really some awesome stuff, and I've never actually done anything with it on the channel before, so we should probably change that. All right, how about we end off on a piece of Labradorite? Let's do another Labradorite. This thing is amazing. There's so much color in here. All right, let's load it up. All right, this is ridiculous. Okay, the rock shed always has really good labradorite. See that blue right there? But I don't know what it is. This time it's just on another level. Look at that. Look at all the purple. That's not even labradorite. That's spectralite. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I always say that a lot in videos where I talk about labradorite. Spectralite is literally just the same thing, just brighter and more color variation. Spectralite and labradorite are essentially the same thing though. Look at that. That is outstanding. That color variation is just wild. All right, I am. I'd say saying I'm happy is like an understatement. Look at that, just crazy. I love it when you get those little like stripes of color on labradorite. It's like one of my favorite things. Oh, look how pretty that is. All right, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, I don't even have words. And then this is the rest of the rock. Look at that rich purple down here. Sorry, anyway, it's the rest of the rock. I was thinking about cutting it, flipping it, and cutting the rest of it, but the angle actually changes. Where is it? There it is. Now we've got all these oranges and golds. And honestly, this is so just fantastic. Like literally every color labradorite can be is just on this one face. I'm gonna just polish this. This is gonna have to just get polished because yeah, it feels like an insult to cut this down any farther. That's amazing. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Huge, enormous, gigantic, immeasurable shout outs to the Rock Shed for being awesome every single time I go there. Run by some fantastic people. And they're always just so kind. We go to a lot of rock shops. Everywhere we go, if I see a rock shop, I will stop in because I love rock shops. Been to rock shops in Wyoming, South Dakota, North Dakota, Idaho, Colorado, Florida, Georgia. Out of every single rock shop I've ever been to, the Rock Shed is still just holds a place of honor as the best. It's just amazing the stuff they have. And I'm happy that all these years later that they still hold that spot for me because they were actually the first rock shop I ever went to. So not only are they the best and my favorite, I have a very sentimental attachment to the Rock Shed. So if you have not already, I will have a link in the description to their website. They have amazing stuff. And better yet, if you ever find yourself in the Black Hills of South Dakota, make a trip over to Keystone because they are, the stuff they have in person, it will blow your mind. So one of the main purposes of going to the Rock Shed was so that I could get material to make some cabs and do some polishing so that we can sell at the Billings Gem and Mineral Show in August. So some of these slabs might actually be appearing for sale at the show. So this crazy, of course I'm at the wrong angle for it to flash right now, but this crazy purple slab could be yours. I'll have a link in the description also to the event page. Huge, huge shout outs one more time to the Rock Shed just because I love them so much. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this one. I hope you all enjoyed. I think there's one more video from South Dakota coming and I will see you next time.